welcome to Center Sensations. Hold on, let me turn my AC off. There we go. Less noise. Welcome to Center Sensations. I'm going to be doing a quick little reverse dip. I've got deep turquoise on my canvas with a little bit of white. I just spread it around a little bit. I'm just going to give it a quick little torch. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And for everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. Okay, this deep turquoise, I love this color. I think I'm going to be doing some purple, maybe a little bit of wine in there, a little bit of white. Mix it up a little bit, and then we'll do a reverse dip and see what we come out with. Could be a flower blossom, or it could be a complete abstract mess, but you never know. We'll see. Okay, let's start with the purple. Oop, dry painting. Always when I start out, it seems like I do that. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's do a purple here and a purple here. And how about some magenta? Okay, and we definitely want some white. And I haven't done the berry wine, so let's do that. I'm just going to kind of do it in a U shape. Okay, I'm going to stick with just that for now and see what we have pop up. So one other color I want to add. Yeah, let's go with some aqua green. Aqua green right along the side here, and again I dropped some dry paint in there. Easily fixed though, 1 second. There we go. Okay, now I got my plastic put aside. I'm just going to place it over top. And I'm going to press down. These paintings are always so much fun to do because you never know what's going to pop on the canvas. Okay, now I'm going to pull it up. This corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, and straight up. Okay, so what I see is definitely kind of a bloom of a flower, but I need to add more color in there. So let's go with some berry wine. And the white that I added mixed in when I put down the base is popping out very nicely. Berry, a little bit of berry, a little bit more here. And I think I want some more white in there as well. And my next favorite color in there, excuse me, losing my voice here, is the magenta. So I'm going to add that here. Okay, and I still have the plastic in my hand, so I'm going to use the exact same plastic. And kind of drop it down where I pulled it, kind of close. Okay, and I'm going to press again. Okay, let's pull it up again, see what happens. And plop that on the table. And slide this over a little bit so I can give it a torch. Bear with me while I deal with my plastic, because if I don't, I'm gonna wear it for sure. Okay. Now I'm going to give this a torch. Now my torch definitely seems to have calmed down now that I've used it a fair bit. I think the problem was I ended up just filling it too much and I had it flaming up a little bit. Now that looks really cool. I'm just going to hold it up. Pretty good for just a piece of plastic on top of some paint. And I think I want to do something to add a little detail in this guy. I'm just going to take my knife. I'm just going to take some of this coloring that's on the side here and run it along. Same with this one. I want to do something in the center here. Just going to give it a little tilt. I think I'm going to put a little bit of white in the center. I have my little airbrush. Let's see if we got some battery power for this guy. Voila! We have ourselves the center of a flower. I'm just gonna screw a couple lines in here to pull the coloring out. Let's give it a torch and then I'll show you. Okay, so what I just did was a 2-second white droplet and then blew it a little bit with the airbrush, and it has a bloom right in the center. Hopefully you can see that. It's beautiful. It's going to dry beautifully. All right. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button. I'd very much appreciate that. And thank you for stopping in. Till next time. Bye for now.